Hey everybody. So in this video we are going to discuss the parathyroid glands and the hormones associated with those glands. So the parathyroid hormones or parathyroid glands, are going to be the glands that are near the thyroid. So para means near. And these are four small little lobes that are right near the thyroid. The major hormone that they're going to be releasing is PTH, parathyroid hormone. So, when it comes to parathyroid hormone, its main job is to promote calcium absorption in the small intestine. So, its job is to absorb as much calcium as possible into the body. As you can see in this illustration, one of the ways we can do this is by also using enzymes from the intestines as well as vitamin D. And vitamin D, if you remember from the integumentary system or from the skin from last class, vitamin D is something that you can eat as well as something that you can create or synthesize from UV light, right? So here are the different components to create that vitamin D. And from all of this, we can then absorb more calcium into our intestines. Why intestines? Because when we eat food, the food's in our intestines. This helps us to absorb that calcium. This is a great illustration to demonstrate what exactly is going on with the parathyroid glands and how parathyroid hormone is going to be used to absorb calcium. So here we go. Parathyroid glands. If your body notices that we have too low blood sugar or blood calcium, right? The blood calcium levels are too low. We are going to then stimulate the parathyroid gland to release parathyroid hormone. So, again, why is this happening? Because we don't have enough calcium in our blood. We recognize that. We tell the parathyroid glands to release parathyroid hormone. Once parathyroid hormone goes into your blood, it is going to go to three major locations. It's going to go to your bones, it's going to go to your kidneys, and it's going to go to your intestines. When PTH goes to your bones, it is going to tell your bones to release calcium because your bones are the primary storage of calcium in the body. So, calcium gets removed from the bone and put into the bloodstream. So now we have more blood calcium. Another thing that's going to happen, the PTH is going to tell your kidneys to stop removing calcium. So if you have too much calcium in your blood, you'll pee it out. So what PTH will do is tell your kidneys, do not pee this out. Therefore, you will have more blood calcium because you're not peeing it out. And then finally, PTH will tell your intestines to absorb even more calcium. So now that's another way you can maintain or increase the amount of calcium in your blood. Get it from your bones, don't pee it out, absorb it from your food. Why? Because parathyroid hormone is telling these organs what to do. That said, now we have more calcium, which is great. But you can have too much of a good thing. If you have too much of it, now your blood is going to tell your parathyroid glands, yeah, we have too much calcium. Can you stop absorbing so much? Because this is too much. When that happens, your parathyroid hormone is going to then, again, I'm put an arrow here so you can see we have a lot of calcium. We have a lot of calcium. If we have too much, it's going to tell your parathyroid glands to stop releasing parathyroid hormone, which means your bones no longer release calcium, your kidneys no longer store calcium, so you pee it out, and your intestines stop absorbing calcium. So you don't absorb it and you get poop it out. This is another example of a hormone and its negative feedback loops in the body. If you have any questions, just let me know.